Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your budgeting tools with linked accounts on Nerdwallet. Do you want your budget to update automatically as you spend? Here's how to integrate Nerdwallet's budgeting tools with your linked accounts for effortless money tracking. Start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then on your dashboard, navigate to the budgeting or spending section. If you haven't already linked a bank account, click Link Accounts and follow the secure steps to connect your checking, savings, or credit card. Once linked, Nerdwallet will begin pulling in your real-time transactions. Now, go to the Budget Setup or Monthly Budget section. Click Create Budget or Edit Budget. Here you can choose categories like groceries, rent or mortgage, transportation, dining, and subscription. For each category, Nerdwallet will suggest a limit based on your average past spendings, or you can just choose to set your own. As you spend, your transactions will be automatically sorted into these categories, keeping your budget up to date with zero manual input. You'll also see progress bars showing how close you are to your monthly limits and alerts if you're overspending in any areas. Integrating your account means smarter, faster budgeting with less work from you. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that turn good habits into real financial power. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.